Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Cam Newton's Freeform Dreadlocks. Now, I'm surprised I actually haven't done a review on his dreadlocks yet, but I do love all you guys for commenting and letting me know that you guys wanted to see this video. And he has some really dope set of dreads, and they're very unique. And one thing I love about Freeform Dreadlocks is that they're super unique. That's why I decided to start growing some. A lot of you are like, yo, what is going on with your hair? I have been keeping you guys updated on my main channel, Gunther the Great, which is always linked down below. You guys can kind of see what's going on. They're all kind of just locking up and they're maturing really quickly. I've had my hair free-forming for about 3 months. So you guys can go check out that whole progress on my main channel. Now, since I did see you guys' requests of Cam Newton, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know who you guys want me to do a review on, because the whole purpose of these videos is showing you guys not only how they got their dreadlocks, but how you can get your dreadlocks exactly like them. So for any of you guys who are new, like I said, I'm Gunther the Great, and I really just try to explain as best as possible how to get your dreadlocks the way that you would like to get your dreadlocks. And you'll kind of see that throughout this whole video. So if you guys are new, please subscribe if you guys want to get dreads. And also, if you already have dreadlocks, I would encourage you guys to go check out the Great Locks Instagram page, which is just a family and a community of people with dreadlocks that share their progress and their process, and also just to show off their dreadlocks. If you tag Great Locks on Instagram, you could be featured on the page. And the cool thing is you can also be featured on the channel through these videos. But for everyone who wants to know how to get their dreadlocks like Cam Newton, let's start out with the hair type. Now, everybody has their own hair type, and for Cam Newton, his hair type is most likely a 4B. Now, if you do not know your hair type, please go and check out the video that is linked down below that says, what is my hair type? And that video will explain everything you need to know from your hair type and what method you can choose with your hair type. Now that we know Cam Newton's hair type with it being a 4B, it's easy to see that spectrum of methods you could choose with that hair type. Now, people with a 4B hair type will typically go with, twisting with gel, maybe doing a sponge rub, maybe doing interlocking, and that's kind of more for all hair types. But the most common we'll see with this hair type is typically twisting with gel or using a sponge. And in this case, he actually went with doing freeform dreadlocks. Now, he could have started out with a sponge, but with the way his hair is looking, it looks completely freeform, and I like the way his hair looks. Comment down below if you guys like the way freeform hair looks. If you don't, that's cool too, but for everyone who loves freeform locks, comment down freeform gang. So for anybody out there who has a 4B hair type, you can freeform and allow your hair to lock up on its own. And your hair will kind of look somewhat like Cam Newton's, or maybe The Weeknd's if you guys remember his hair. Jay-Z is also freeforming his hair. And based on how tight your curl pattern is kind of how your freeform locks are gonna look. With my curl pattern, with it being a 3C, then my freeform locks are kind of turning out a little thicker than if it were to be a tighter curl pattern. Now let's face it, everybody's dreadlocks are gonna look different. Sometimes people with 3C hair will probably have thinner freeform dreadlocks, and maybe people with a 4C hair type can have thick dreadlocks as well. I would say hit or miss, or it's not kind of a magic bullet on where your dreadlocks are gonna be or what they're gonna look like. And that's one thing that I truly appreciate about freeform locks, is that everybody's look different. So now that we know that Cam Newton has a 4B hair type, strictly does freeform, let's talk about the product of the day. And I would definitely recommend you guys with a shampoo, and I recommend the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. This is perfect for shampoo. And the pros of this product is that it is non-residue, it is pure Castile soap, it's all natural ingredients. This soap has been used by hundreds of thousands of people, and it has really good reviews. I believe it's a 5-star review. And if you guys click the link down below, I linked it at the top of the description, it'll take you straight to Amazon to purchase you guys a bottle of this shampoo. I believe this shampoo comes in 3 different scents. My favorite is a peppermint scent, and I really think all of you guys will enjoy that one as well. So that's why I have it linked down below. Now, if you guys want to browse other products, there's also a dandruff shampoo that I have for you guys. If you guys want to go check that out, it is on greatlocks.com. And this shampoo is hands down my favorite shampoo for dandruff or a dry scalp. And this is the Neutrogena T-Gel or the T-Sal. But like I said, these can be found on greatlocks.com. And there's so many other products you can find on greatlocks.com. So I'd recommend you guys to go check that out. You definitely will not regret it. Not only will you find products on greatlocks.com, you'll also find product reviews and also tutorials on how to get dreadlocks. And Jimmy Got Soul is actually featured on there as well. If you guys know her, you guys can go check that out and just kind of check out the videos on the website. But besides all that, guys, that is Cam Newton's dreadlocks. I'm super stoked I got to do this video. I've been waiting so long to do it, but just so that you guys aren't waiting so long for the next review of someone that you want to review on, make sure to comment down below and I'll definitely check them out, because that's really where I get the ideas to make these videos. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.